More witnesses today to explain the discrepancies in Corona SAL-Ens. Good afternoon. It is day 32 of the impeachment trial of Chief Justice Renato Corona. I'm Natasha Gutierrez reporting live from the Senate for Rappler.com. Today, there's been a lot of conversation in the Pulse Asia survey that released its results earlier this morning. The report says that 47% of Filipinos think that Corona is guilty. The prosecution says that the results somehow validate that they have presented their case well, while the defense has expressed hope that this will not sway the decisions of independent senators. Presiding Officer Juan Ponce Enrile said earlier this morning to the media that he will base his decision on evidence presented. Now, also yesterday, the defense presented 4 witnesses to explain why 5 properties of Corona were not listed in his statement of assets, liabilities, and net worth. Carlo Alcantara, head of Quezon City's Register of Deeds, testified that 4 properties were no longer owned by Corona, while the Makati City Assessor Mario Badillo testified about the accuracy of the entries of Corona in his SAL-Ens. He said that the assessed value and fair market value that he listed in his SAL-Ens were based on determined market values provided by his office. Now, the defense also discussed the column properties of Corona, which the Corona couple purchased in 2004, but they did not list this property in Corona SAL-End until 2010. Corona's counsels argued that the delayed declaration was due to defects in the unit, and because of this, Corona did not declare the property in his SAL-Ens because they were still sorting out the issue. However, the defects were sorted out by 2010, hence the declaration of the property then. However, senator, judges, and the prosecution say that even if he had technically not yet accepted the unit, it should still have been listed in the SAL-Ens as it has some sort of value. Now, another issue raised yesterday was whether SAL-N errors constitute an impeachable offense or not. The defense argues that old guidelines on listing properties or assets in SAL-Ens were vague. However, the prosecution says that these errors were intentional. Both sides will submit a legal memorandum on this issue. Now, also yesterday, the impeachment court denied the defense motion to cite House Majority Leader in contempt for allegedly threatening Navotas Representative Tobias Tiangco. Tiangco testified for the defense and spoke of the way the impeachment complaint towards Corona was organized. Again, lead counsel Serafin Cuevas will not be in the proceedings today as he is still ill. Defense counsel Joel Bodegon is expected to again take his place. Witnesses to explain how Mrs. Corona gained control of Basa Guedote could also testify today, specifically Regional Trial Court of Quezon City's Clerk of Court, as well as the Sheriff of the Court. They are expected to testify on this issue. Stay tuned at Rappler.com. The trial starts at 2 p.m.